Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have a trough digging in across the Intermountain West, and that's not really coming in our direction. It's pretty much being thwarted by a ridge that's going to be over the Great Lakes in the east, which is being thwarted by an upper level low that's just off the east coast, so everything is being blocked up. So you see all this rain and shower and thunderstorm activity over the plains. It's not coming. It's not coming today. It's not coming on Saturday. It's not even coming on Sunday. The chances of precipitation will likely stay west of the Missouri River. Can't rule out some clouds coming in. There will be an increase in cloudiness as we move into the weekend, but it's still going to remain mainly dry. We can't really rule out an isolated shower right along the Missouri River, but the chances are 20% or less. Otherwise, dry, sunny to partly sunny, highs in the 70s, maybe near 80, depending on if relative humidities do drop and dew points do drop. Even as we look here, this is Monday. It's still not here yet. This rain is still over the plains. It then tries to come in late Monday and into Tuesday, but even then the chances don't look that great. Maybe 30 to 40%. Not everybody looks to get some precipitation. Better chances will be over the western and southwestern counties. Then the system kind of slowly falls apart as we move toward the middle to end of next week, as the system kind of just meanders and kind of falls apart just to our south and southwest. And then we have a surge of cooler air coming in from Canada across the Great Lakes as we move toward the end of next week, and that may kind of push the system far enough to the south and east to kind of dry out the state. You can see that here, that system with a frontal system coming in here on Friday. That could spark off a shower, maybe a rumble of thunder. Don't look for chances to be too great with that system either, as that pushes down from the north and west, but it doesn't really bring cold air. It kind of then moves away, the warm weather returns, the winds turn out of the south, and temperatures going into the following weekend look to be fairly warm if the GFS happens to be correct with this. The GFS is showing temperatures could be in the mid to upper 70s to the low to mid 80s next weekend. Not this coming weekend, the following weekend. You can see a trough axis is coming in, so even as we move to the week after that, it looks to get active again with a system coming in that could bring us some shower and thunderstorm activity. But remember, this is 10 days out, so things can still change, so pay attention. It looks like that system is there now. That's the satellite image from last evening. That's the system we talked about. That system isn't coming yet. That will stay where it is for the next several days. System over the south is pulling out into the Atlantic, and you see the upper level low out in the western Atlantic. Some frosty conditions in the mid-Atlantic to southern New England. Winter weather issues with that upper level feature out in the mountains, and a lot of wind across California. Nothing around here, fairly quiet. The precipitation over the next 5 days, well, maybe a half an inch in our western counties to maybe a tenth in our eastern counties, but a lot of rain across the plains, 3, 4, 5, 6 inches there, and possibly more.